Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your host and host Ali Darsi. You must be wondering why I'm smiling so much. Boss, to tell you very honestly, video makings are not easy and I'm doing so many blunders, so many bloopers I have. It is making me look embarrassing. It is absolutely upsetting sometimes, but it is making me laugh as much. So this is how it is. It is not easy to make videos. Don't keep wondering that I'll be showing those bloopers to you. No, 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 not at all. I cannot see it myself. I cannot show it to you guys. Okay, let's dig in deep. So in this video, I'll be bringing you my last week stock picks. जो last week मैंने predictions दी थी, stock picks किए थे, and moreover, I'll be bringing a little bit of market buzz जो आजकल market में चल रहा है. My first stock pick was Neo. I will show you Neo now, how it is going. Let's move forward, and this is Neo. Neo, a month back, it was at 56.67. Last week when I picked it is still a good company, but right now it is having a shortfall. It is a little bit pulled back, but don't worry about it because Neo is one of the largest giants in China, and Neo will be doing a lot more good in couple of weeks to come than anyone can imagine. And Neo has absolute good delivery numbers. As you can see, the chart has not moved much. I gave my pick on $57 when it was last week. Now has closed at 56.67. Went down 1%, 1.6%, but I don't feel that's problematic or that's a situation to worry about. Neo is still and will be one of the big players in the electronic vehicle market. सो जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा, मैंने पिक दी थी आपको नियो की, लेकिन नियो परफॉर्म नहीं किया. बट डोंट वरी, कुछ नहीं होता उससे. नियो आगे आएगा, नियो को आगे आना है. माई प्रोडिक्शन इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली $100 बाय एंड ऑफ द ईयर, and hopefully Neo will be doing good, absolute good. I have complete faith in the company, and whatever you guys do, if you are investing in a company, अगर आप किसी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, बेसिकली आप उस कंपनी के ओनर बन रहे हैं. शेयर मार्केट में अगर आप शेयर्स खरीदते हैं तो वो शेयर आपको बेसिकली कंपनी का ओनर बनाती है. ट्रीट इट as like a ownership. Don't take it just as you are doing it just for fun or things like that. Fun के लिए भी करना अच्छा है. It's not that bad. If you want to do it for fun, it's okay. But if you don't want to do it and you are serious about investing as a career or as a pursuant to earn money, you should be very confident in those companies in which you are investing. And I am extremely positive about Neo. Neo is one of the good companies. आइए देखें नियो का चार्ट. मैं बेसिकली यूज करता हूँ Webull as my brokerage. The link is down below. If you guys use Webull, you will be getting up to $100 worth of stocks. If you use my link, it is mentioned in the description below. Do like, subscribe, and share my videos so everyone can get benefit of it. Everyone all over the world. Coming back to Neo, we are looking at the chart of Neo right now. और अगर आप ये देखें इस चार्ट को, टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के लिए अगर चार्टिंग आप लोगों के लिए ज़रूरी है, ये आप लोगों के सामने प्रेजेंट किया हुआ है. दिस इज़ नियो बेसिकली सपोर्ट लेवल पे है 38.48 पे ऑन 11 नवंबर को, और इसका सबसे लोवेस्ट 11 नवंबर को 38.48 था, और फिर बाद में अगर आप दूसरा सपोर्ट चेक करें इसका तो 38.26 पे. तो बेसिकली नियो इज़ बिटवीन द लाइन ऑफ 38 and 50 राइट नाउ. अगर आप इस पूरे चार्ट की फॉर्मेशन देखें तो आपको ये नज़र आएगा कि इससे नीचे नियो कभी गया नहीं, और ये सबसे मिनिमम लेवल है जहाँ पे नियो जा सकता है. लेकिन कोई भी कंपनी नीचे क्यों जाती है? वाई द कंपनी मूव्स डाउन? अगर उसके डिलीवरी नंबर्स ठीक ना हो, अगर उसके सब प्रोजेक्टिव एक्सपेक्टेशंस ठीक ना हो, इफ़ द कंपनी इज़ फॉलोइंग शॉर्ट ऑन व्हाट दे हैव प्रॉमिस्ड, इफ़ द न्यूज़ आर नॉट कमिंग गुड. बट राइट नाउ इन द सिचुएशन ऑफ नियो इज़ गोइंग अप, नियो इज़ बुलिश, नियो इज़ गिविंग आउट गुड नंबर्स, नियो इज़ परफॉर्मिंग एक्सट्रीमली वेल. अगर आप एक चीज़ यहाँ पे और नोट करें, इफ़ यू वांट टू नोट इट डाउन, ये जो लाइन अभी मैं बना रहा हूँ आप लोगों के सामने, ये बेसिकली एक वेज बनेगा, और इस पे मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि ये कैसे परफॉर्म कर सकता है. ये दूसरा आ गया सपोर्ट लेवल पे। ये आप देख रहे हैं ये अरे बनी नहीं लाइन सही तरीके से यार, एक मिनट हुई बल्कि बन गई। ये मैं थोड़ा सा जूम इन करता हूँ। ये आप देख रहे हैं कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है यहाँ पे। जब ये कंसोलिडेशन साइडवेज शुरू हो जाती है ना, व्हेन दे कंसोलिडेट ऑन द साइडवेज रादर देन गोइंग अप और डाउन, दैट मीन्स इट हैज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बुलिश पैटर्न लेफ्ट समवेयर। If I know the RSI, relatively strength index, which is at 51, which looks absolutely nice, because if the stock is moving above 30 RSI, it is a good buy, and if it is below 70, it is still a good point to sell. If it is going above 70 or it's overbought, just sell it out, close your position, take profits, come back again when it goes down again. So this is the strategy I usually use it to work with. चले आइए देखते हैं अब टिलरे के बारे में। टिलरे performed extremely well, above my expectations. I was not expecting Tilray to perform 35% in the week. I was only bullish up to like 10%, 12%, but they produced some good results. People made some good money, and those who took my advice, those who took Tilray, I hope you guys are enjoying, and the money you made, the way the stock has performed this whole week, it was absolutely fabulous. But I'm also looking at Tilray, still a little bit bullish on Tilray, but I will advise those who have earned more than 15-20%, just take out your profits, close your positions, and then let it ride halfway, but sell out the half and keep the rest to ride with the tide, because it will be going on good after the Portugal approval for using their products, and the scientific things they have done over there. I am absolutely bullish still on Tilray, but I will be conservative. I will be trying to be very, very calculative about this. I won't be just riding the tide. But if I wanted to do it, I'll sell half, and I'll take the profits. I'll lock in my profits, and I'll let the rest ride with it. चले आए चार्ट देखते हैं. This is Tilray. Performed extremely well. This is a 3-month chart right now. Every day, single day chart. It's absolutely good, but I just cannot say about how it has performed. It is beyond my expectations. I wasn't expecting this. It came a little bit dipped, but it's fine. Now it's going up all the way. This is a 3-month chart. Don't get it mistaken for a 1-day chart or a 1-week chart. You can see there are sell-off going on right now. As I said earlier, if RSI is above 70, sell it out. This is an overbought zone, and now this is coming down. The trend is coming downwards. अब ये नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है. People will start selling it off, lock in profits, and people will move forward again when it will come down. So if it comes down again to 20 or to below 20, it's a good buy. Buy again, fill it up, and then ride again. This company will be going on good, and my prediction is not that much heavy on this, but this can go up to like 27, 28ish, and I hope it will be a good point to sell and close your positions, and let it come down easy, and then if you find again a spot to come back in, do that, because it will be performing well. So, ladies and gentlemen, what is the new market buzz? What is happening in the market? Past couple of weeks have been absolutely crazy. The short selling of stocks, GME, AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia, Naked Brand, you name it. There are so many out there. Everyone is talking about it. Everyone tried to, ride with the stocks, but nothing much happened actually. A lot of people have lost. In my opinion, I was a little bit bullish on AMC, but never was on GameStop, because every time I thought that it will come down, it will come down, it will come down. But AMC I was a little bit bullish on, because AMC can come out as a winner. In my opinion, AMC is a company which is basically based on cinemas and outgoing people, and having a place to go for people after once the COVID is over and things are coming back to normal. That was my speculative idea that AMC would be doing, and still I am a little bit bullish on AMC. If I look at the records, and if I look at the details and the things about the vaccines and stuff, that when they will be coming out, AMC will be coming back to normal, because before pandemic AMC was a place to go to. A lot of people were going to AMC theaters watching new movies. The movies were getting released, so a lot of business is back out there. I am still a little bit a fan of AMC, but I won't be in a position to say anything right now, because I'll share you a story. Last week I got a call from a friend of mine, and he told me what to do, if he should buy AMC. I was absolutely bullish on AMC. I told him, yeah, but AMC is fine. AMC is a good buy, and right now he's holding the bag. And I'm so sorry, my brother. I know you are holding the bag, but hopefully, this will be getting over and you will be coming out in green colors. And one of the other friend of mine, he lost $1,100 on that bet. I'm so sorry about that, but I am still bullish. I am still bullish. It will be going up. That's what I assume, but not right now. Maybe later down the lane. Maybe once this frenzy is over. Maybe people are coming back to normal again. Once this will be it will be coming down, because after a very high ride this has gone to, it will be coming down. And when the things will be starting getting normal after the COVID vaccinations are in place, everyone is coming out, things are getting better, and we will be moving out, we'll be going out, we'll be watching some movies, you will be going watching some movies. And what is the best place to go to? AMC theaters. So but I'll be doing that. I hope you all will be doing that too. I'm talking about GME, not GMC, sorry, GME, GameStop. It has been a frenzy for GameStop. It rode till 400, coming back down to 60s now. And I'm not bullish about GME at all. I assume and I feel that the bubble has bursted. GME will be riding back down. And GME basically is not a traditional stock which will be performing much well, because everything has gone online these days, and GameStop was a place to buy games physically. Not anymore. My idea is totally different on GameStop. I don't find the fundamentals so good that I cannot be bullish on them. So ladies and gentlemen, if you guys have any questions, any comments, you can do it down in the comment below, and I will personally answer all the questions. If you want me to do a video on a company, or you want to ask on a stock, you can do that. I'll completely be diligent, and I'll try to provide you with the answers or do a video on that. Other than that, kindly like, share and subscribe the channel and share it out with everyone around. I hope this will be helpful for everyone. All the information which I'm giving is for educational purposes, and I hope you guys are getting educated every day, every night. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye bye.